back to the channel. For today's video, your boy is finally going to be fixing his alternator problem because, well, if you don't know, I'm an idiot. Which we all know.
Facts.
But I did something, well, I didn't do anything probably. I mean, I don't know. If you're in the K-Series world, then you know about the AC/power steering delete kits, and you know that the bolt, when you relocate the alternator, it always snaps off, whether like because of vibrations and stuff like that. And mine snapped off, and I thought I could fix it by just tightening up the two bottom bolts in and keeping it in place. But as you do a pull, your alternator will like move back and forth because, well, they don't have the top bolt in to stabilize the alternator. So I've been dealing with that for like 2, maybe 3 weeks now, and luckily for me, I got a homeboy named Ed Boy, and he came clutch and provided me with a new water pump / thermostat housing. And if you recall from the last video, I had wrinkle black that John. Hey Quavo, how this looking?
Ice, ice, ice.
Yeah, that's my dog Quavo. We acquaintances. Ice. The goal for this video is to get that bad boy installed. I already ordered every gasket that I would need for this thing, like the water pump gasket and this O-ring in the back. So I got all of that ready to go. Now it's time to jack up this thing and get everything crack-a-lackin', playboy. Now that I got the car all jacked up, it's time to start loosening the traction bar and then, you know, drain the coolant and all that stuff. But if you don't know, you know what I'm saying, go to your local Walmart. You know what I'm saying? They ain't sponsoring this video, but hey, get this coolant from Walmart. It's the cheapest, it's better. It got the Xerox stuff, and it's close to OEM you can get without going to OEM. It ain't the Prestone crap. This stuff is the bee's knees, you know what I'm saying? It's the bee's knees, you feel me? Don't ever say Zosh ain't teaching nothing, bro, because I'm teaching y'all, I'm putting y'all on game right now. This coolant is the best coolant you can put in your car, aside from running OEM coolant, because it got that blue stuff as of OEM would, or if you're Nissan, it has that pink stuff, but it's got that blue stuff. Correct. No, I'm just playing. Tool of choice today will be the M12 Milwaukee ratchet because, bro, this thing is the bee's knees, and I love this thing, and it makes life easier when you have power tools, and good ones at that. So without me keep trying to make myself seem, oh Lord. So what I have to do is drop the traction bar from these 2 points on this side and 2 points on the other side so I can have room to loosen out my alternator, loosen out this bracket, and get this water pump housing off. You guys can't even see it, so I'm probably gonna have to bring out my light so you guys can see what the hell I'm doing. The car is actually really hot, and I don't want to drain coolant while it's really hot, because this shit is blazing, bro. But I gotta get this coolant out of here, son, so.
12 black people minutes later. Wakanda.
Okay, so I let the car cool down for like an hour and I just started wrenching on it. It's just so much easier without holding the camera, but this is how I gotta get paid, so this is what I gotta do. So I got the alternator off and coolant went everywhere, dude. Like, not because I took the alternator off. I took off the drain plug, and yeah, I had to use my old what is this, mover's blanket, because that one is completely drenched, like completely drenched. But traction bar is off, alternator's off. Now I'm trying to work my way of getting all this stuff off without removing the radiator, because I really don't want to do that. For the thermostat housing, I'm just gonna loosen it from there and then just remove everything from here and then swap everything over. So hopefully that makes things easier for me. So yeah, that's what your boy doing right now. Alright, so I successfully removed my thermostat / water pump housing without removing the radiator, so that is sick. The only thing I have to take off from this is this thermostat housing and then the actual water pump. And I got a new gasket for the water pump. I'm gonna reuse the water pump because, and yeah, so these are, I think, 10 mil bolts, 3 10 mils on this side, and what, 6 10 mils, 6, 8, maybe 10 mils on the water pump side. But yeah, son, I know I'm doing a really bad job at filming, but I mean, this stuff is like simple, dude. Like, to remove this big ass thing, it's only 4 bolts, and well, 2 nuts, 2 bolts, and that's pretty much it. And you know, one there, one there, one there, one there, and yeah, pretty simple, dog. It's really simple how to do this stuff. I know my stock block squad is somewhat decent, you know what I'm saying? Y'all see me come up from calling a what did I call it? EG? I said I have a EGDK. I have an EKEG. Insert the clip.
I got a 95 Civic EK.
Yeah, I said that, bro. I said it when I first got my car, and look at where I'm at now. So this is the part number for the water pump, and that is the part number for this seal that goes there. So I promise you guys it's not late. Still sunlight outside, but you guys can't see me because I decided to do this project while my car faced this way and not, you know, having sunlight. But I went by Rainey's house. I was chopping it up with Rainey for like an hour. So I've basically been doing this for like 4 hours, but it don't take this long. I've just been BSing myself because like, I'm just chilling. I'm not in a rush for it to get done. But your boy Rand Leezy hooked it up with some thread locker play, boy. So now I can thread lock the bolt and have no snapping / loosening issues. So now your boy can be issue free, hopefully. I hope I don't snap this boat, bro. If I snap this boat the way I snapped the old boat, I'm gonna be so mad, bro. I'm like, oh damn, bro, I am gonna be so mad. Bro, they're gonna be like, why you so mad? I just so mad. Okay, everything is done. I completed everything. It's literally what, 6 o'clock? It's 6:30, bro. I started this at like 12. I waited an hour because it was hot from driving to the post office, which I got a P.O. box opening, which is dope, and Walmart and such, and now it's 6:30. But I did go to Rainey's for an hour. Granted, this job that I did should have only have taken me an hour and 30 minutes tops. But all in all, it's done. And the freaking wrinkle black manifold complements the housing so nice. Like, it just looks so good. Now, I can't drive the car until tomorrow because I have to let it bleed. And, you know, bro, I don't want to hear my neighbor's mouth of me letting the car idle for like 20 minutes just to bleed the coolant or whatever. So what's up, y'all? So it's the next day. I did finish up last night with everything. I bled the coolant this morning. It's already like 4 o'clock, and I was like, yo, let me open up my package I got from Pioc Design. Pioc, you know what I'm saying? They're a dope company. They make like cool little like, what's it called? E-brake knob thingy. So I reached out to them. I actually reached out to them because my boy Omar with his beautiful Integra, just bro. If you know the black Integra on Instagram, Vinted Hood, blue T37s, my man Omar, aka I'm I. He got this thing in there. What is it called? The e-brake button in his car, and I was like, yo, that's really dope. So I reached out to the company that made him that, and I was like, yo, man, I seen your button in the homie Omar's car, and I was like, yo, that thing's really dope. He's like, hey, man, we'll see you. I'm like, hey, all right, cool. So here we have, you know what I'm saying? And I'm gonna open this bad boy up on cameras. Cause, well, I mean, I want to, you know, help him out because, bro, he helped me out with this something cool. Add some more drippery to the whipper, you know what I'm saying? So this is the company that makes the handbrake buttons. It's Pioc, I think that's how you say it. Pioc. I'm gonna say Pioc. Pioc, not Ploc? Piloc? Huh? So if you guys want to check out their products, I'll leave a link down in the description box to their Instagram. And now let's go outside and install our beautiful new handbrake button. Sweet barbecue! So this is the factory handbrake button that we're going to be replacing today. And it's actually pretty simple to remove this. You get some grip pliers, some vice grips, you attach it to here, and then you rotate it, I think clockwise. I'm pretty sure it's clockwise. But when you place an order for this bad boy, they do come with instructions. I just gotta read it again, but I think it's clockwise. And this right here is your factory button. Crazy, right? I didn't know they screwed on either, bro. No idea. Look at the difference in buttons, bro. Like, this is like a plastic one, and this is like, it got some weight to it, bro. Ta-da, boy. Thing is on there. Pretty sick. It's all in the details, bro. All in the details. So while I'm at it, check your boy out, son. Check out that wrinkle finish, bro. And I also shaved this down if you guys couldn't tell, but usually there's like a huge thing that goes with like a little bracket thing, but I shaved it down and it looks so much better. Like, look at that wrinkle on the manifold. Hold on, get the focus. Now peep the ice on that housing right there, playboy. I should have did the water pump too, but I was like, nah, whatever, bro. I ain't tripping. But just imagine, bro, cypress green paint job on the engine bay, brake tuck, maybe shaved bay. I don't really care about shaving it. I just want it painted so it can look nice. Then Christina would be on point. Well, my car would be ice, ice, ice. Yeah. I really do hope this bolt stays on and not snap off. Showered up, fed up. Now it's time to tear it up. You know what I'm saying? That was kind of cool. But here we have a package. I haven't received a package to my P.O. box in probably like 2, maybe 3 months. So T-Box, my man Terrence, thank you, brother. Thank you for sending me something. He said it's a late birthday gift. So I was like, why not open it on camera, you know, so you can like have something to be like, yo, Zosh, open up my box. You know what I'm saying? Something cool like that. So let's see what it is. it's really a birthday gift. He wrapped it up. Oh man, that's sick. Okay, let's see. We got a note in here too. He said, Evo gang, the picture is for motivation. Oh, there's a picture there. Your friend Terrence Woolbright. Name on Instagram is tboxevo_8. Yo, Terrence, thank you so much for this, bro. He sent me a picture for like motivation to get my Evo. So I appreciate you, Terrence. I really do, brother. Thank you so much, man. Oh, it's a car? Oh, that's sick. Oh man. Yo. Oh, my tire. What happened to my tire? Oh, they did me wrong. My dog T-Box. Thank you, brother. I really appreciate it, man. Thank you so much. And to everyone else, thank you for your time. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope I fixed my issue permanently. I hope when I do a pull, this bolt don't snap, because I'm going to be pissed. But let's just wish for the best, man. But thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.